Good morning students. Now the last concept is why power sharing is desirable. It means still we need to do lot of things in this lesson, power sharing, because just meaning is done, meaning of power sharing, Belgium accommodation is done, Belgian ethnic composition is done, Sri Lankan ethnic composition is done, majoritarian measures is completed, then how did Tamils react is done. Okay, and then what was the result of the protest, all that is done. Now next one is why power sharing is desirable. Why do we need power sharing? There are 2 points here which are given. One is there is a moral reason for power sharing. Second one more is prudential reason for power sharing. So let me come to the point. First one, moral reason. Okay, what morality says? Just think students, if I will concentrate all power in my hand and I am not giving power to my co-partners, I am not giving power to other citizens, then is it morality? Whether this is called the spirit of democracy, because in our country we say that equal opportunities should be given to all. According to fundamental rights which are mentioned in the constitution, it says that equal rights, equal opportunities should be given to all. Then when it is already mentioned, then how can I keep power in my hand alone? Because it's not morality. So according to moral reason, power should be divided between all. Okay, sharing and caring, that nature should be there. It may be political institute, it may be any one ordinary person, whatever it is, it may be educational institute, it may be bank or whatever it is, we should divide, we should share the power, we should distribute the work also to others, then only people will learn. Okay, otherwise only one person will become intelligent, the other person will always suffer. So we cannot do like that. So morality says that we should give importance to everyone, we should recognize everyone, and we should share the power between all. So that is the spirit of democracy. Due to this only, in India there are no dictators, because prime minister, he cannot concentrate power only in his hand. He has got cabinet, he has got council of ministry, so the power is shared. And same way powers are given to state government. State government has given power to local government, that is panchayat. So this is morality, right? So this is the spirit of democracy. That's why power sharing is desirable. It means why power sharing is desirable, give reasons. Like this question will come in exam. Then we should say power sharing is desirable, means we want power sharing. Why? Because of 2 reasons. One is morality, and which I explained just now. Second is prudential. What is that prudential? I will be explaining now. Okay, prudential reason, it means calculation, it means better outcome. Why? What is this prudential reason? It means calculation. It is nothing but for better outcome, for better result, we need to share the power. Why? Because it helps to reduce possibility of conflict and it ensures political stability. Students, here calculation, it's given here is calculation. Example, if I do all the work, what will happen? I may not give quality work, matlab what is there, result will not be good. Okay, if one person is doing all the work, definitely he will be tired or he may lose interest. Due to that, what will happen? We will not get better outcome, we will not get better result. Or my thinking, just it may be one way, but if many people are there with me, then lot of creative ideas will come. Okay, many people means they will suggest me how that work can be excellent. So when we calculate, always the power should be shared between many members, so that it will avoid the conflict. Here one person will not become superior and the other will not become inferior, and it will lead to political stability. Did you understand? Calculation means, example, if educational institute is there, okay, principal is there, okay, principal is the head of the school, but principal only will not do all the work. Okay, if principal only will start doing all the work, then what about teachers, what about students, what about official staff, what about group D? So everyone should be given the opportunity to work. That kind of calculation should be there. Example, what should be done by principal? like all entire administration of the school should be looked after by principal. What should be done by the teachers? Teachers should dedicate or devote their time for teaching. Okay, like this way we are doing calculation, right? Like bank manager, we know what is his duty. Okay, peon, what is his duty? So like that we have to calculate and give the work. That is prudential reason, students. When we do calculation, definitely the result will be best. Example, when you get money, okay, that time also lot of calculation is done, like this money, like you have 1000 rupees, how will you spend it? The result should be good, no? In 1000 rupees, what all you are going to do? You should get a best result. So you are planning for that, right? You are calculating. In the same way, in our work field, in our what is that, working environment also, we need to do lot of calculation. For example, singer should be given the singing job only, dancer should be given the job of dancing. It's not that anybody will get any kind of a task. That is wrong. So better calculation, proper planning will lead to better results. So power sharing is desirable. This is prudential reason. I hope you understood. In the next class we will be discussing forms of power sharing. Okay, there are different forms of power sharing, like horizontal form, vertical form, power sharing among different social groups, power sharing among different political parties. I'll be talking about it in the next slide. Thank you very much, students.